fucking way. Round two, ho. God damn, bitch, wait. He have to drop me like that.
Chatting on the net, then get the bag and run it up. If ain't talking about the cats and honestly, niggas shut it up. Put the Glock up on the switch, I told Brody to fuck him up. She shake her ass up in the club, I got the bags, now run it up. Shake some, shake, okay. Shake some, shake, shake, shake some, shake, okay. Shake.
Let's get into this thing, finally. I've been taking too motherfucking long. What it is, chat, what's good, what's good? Now, as you can see, we are back on Doom the Dark Ages. I got a surprise for y'all tomorrow. We are streaming tomorrow. I'm just gonna already let it be known. We about to get back to the scary games. It's about time, you feel me? So yeah, I appreciate it. Also, shout out to the 3 people on YouTube that be watching the gaming videos, bro. I appreciate every single one of you. All 3 of you that be watching it, you know, y'all the only reason why I keep uploading these game videos now. Cause y'all 3, whoever y'all are, y'all be watching it, and I appreciate you, you feel me? So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, we about to hop back into the Doom, you feel me? So let's get it, and let's go. But hold on. I forgot the actual saying. Anything for the chicken wing, good buddy, let's get it! Let's go. I want you. And in the joint. Oh God! All right, all right, all right. Let's all calm the fuck down. Hold on, player. Come here, bitch. Yeah. Come on, you big motherfucker. Yeah, sit your ass down, boy. Little nigga. What's up here? Okay. Not a damn thing. Onward! Keep it pushing, keep it pushing, keep it pushing, darling. Where do we go? Go around this corner, ho. I'm just not. No! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Huh? Huh? What the fuck? Wait! 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 Push! Let's go. Alright, never mind, I'm about to die. I'm not gonna hold you. Yep. Give me the grenade launcher. Let's go to work. I'm about to just go in this bitch chat and we just gonna blow up every motherfucking body. I'm not gonna hold you. Nope. Nope. Ooh. Nope. Gotta go. Boom. Damn, boy, how many fucking rockets you gonna eat? Ow! No. Where did you come from? Oh, great. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go with the shit already, chat. I'm tired of it, bro. I sincerely am tired of this shit. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, it's just... Oh, yeah. Hold on. Hold on. Come here. Yes, sir. I hate this nigga. Starting to hate him. Starting to... Woo. Come here, gang. Fuck your ghost form, nigga. Fuck your ghost form, nigga. Come here. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Come here. Yeah. Oh, shit. Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh yeah, come here. Come here. Thank you. No. Give him a shotgun. Fuck. I said shotgun. Grenade launcher! Alright, are we good now? Can I, like... I'm about to say, can I step through and use this?
Almost finished. One more switch.
One more Make it! No! Oh. Fuck we got in here? Where the hell is me? Where the... Did I miss something? Oh, there we go. Okay. Hey! Get up there. Oh, I hate you. Oh, yeah, come here. Come here. I despise your ass. Oh, you dropped the punch bomb! Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Wait, check. Bitch. Oh, shit, I found another toy. Cool. My mind's a prison. I'll take the shotgun for right now. That don't sound too shabby, too bad. It don't look like it's not an in, not a nada shit over here to be messing with. So let's get the hell. Definitely ain't shit over here. I'm not fighting y'all. Hold on. Where did the okay, we gotta go that way. Right? Yeah. This way. Yeah. Oh, nigga. Oh, no. What the hell? Yeah. Oh shit, we only got 3 left. Bro, come on with the acid, man. Come on with the acid, bruh. What are we doing? Like, come on with the motherfucking acid, gang. The nigga throw out like 20 different things of acid at a nigga. Dog. What is that? What is that glowing over there? I want to know. Shoot this punk ass this shit first. Yeah, nigga. Yeah. Let me show you something you ain't gonna like. Yeah. Break up all that armor. Let me show you something you ain't gonna like. This. Oh shit! Wait, no! Die! Oh yeah, I realized the rest of y'all done fucked up, right? Oh yeah. No, I didn't. I'm sorry. Haha, I lied. Alright. Oh, this the other little dog thing. Right? Okay, health packs. Armor, yeah. Yeah, replenish my shit. Okay, so if I'm not mistaken, that was the last little dog piece. So if we take our ass across Ten Buck and Wonder. Not right here, all the way over here. Like, why? Why is it always... I gotta fight through everybody to get some shit? Damn, bro, you can't be making this shit up, bro. Please, Jesus. Funky bitch. Funky bitch. Bitch. Yeah, come get this work. What that is? Fuck is this? Ooh, I can use it as an upgrade. All right now. Do. All right, let's go. Oh, we gotta go over here, right? Mm-hmm. All right, what we got? Fuck, we got over here. What y'all? Bro, come on, man. A nigga ain't even get all the way over here yet, bruh. Come here. Come here. And he just shooting. Ay! Come here. Blow him up. Blow his ass up. Yeah. That's what I thought, sucker. Alright. Now, I do wonder, well, by the time, hopefully, we beat the game on the channel, because I'm not gonna hold you. We might not. I'm gonna be honest with you. It depends. It depends. Might just try to move on to some new shit. Oh! Wait! I shouldn't be wasting that on you. Ah! Come on, bro. Ooh, they got gold up there. Give me gold. Yeah. What this do? Oh! Yes! Is that all I jumped over here for? How do I get that? I want that. How do I get that down there? That's my motherfucking question. No. Oh, I got another one? Oh, no. That was only... Who don't send me an email chat? Oh. Oh, here we go. Where they? I was about to say where them boys at, but hell no. Back of the fuck up. Thank you. Come here. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. 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 Now, where the hell you running to? Crawling to? Come get this work. Uh-oh. Hold on. Change to the grenade launcher. Hee! Bitch. Oh, great. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Run away. Run away. Run away. Run the fuck away. Run the fuck away. Back the fuck up. Okay? Give me health. Thank you. Hey! Give me health. Thank you. Bitch. Big motherfucker. Big motherfucker. Now this what you wanted. Oh my god, thank God. Thank God for this damn grenade launcher. I'm not gonna hold you. Cause this joint here pack a mean ass punch, boy. You understand me? Come here. Yeah. Sit it down, bucko. Oh, it's health up there? Thank you. I'm about to say, bro, what we got going on? Is that it? Indeed. Let's start this hard up, man.
cart has been primed. We can use the forge now. See you at the elevator.
What? See me at the oh shit. See me at the elevator. Alright, let's go. Let's go see if we can upgrade with this thought I was hearing shit. What the fuck is this? I don't care about that. I care about the big guns. What about the big guns? Charge based on the size of the name that deals increased damage with charge. I haven't seen enough. That's all I needed right there. I got 2 of them. Oh, I actually do. Okay. What the hell happened? The stun shield and songs increase. Okay. We got everything we needed for the shield. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, ski. What else can we upgrade now? Just the little gun. Alright, we might as well save the rest of that, chat. Let's go. Where we at? Whoa, 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 not again. Not again. Where your big ass come from? Sir! Sir, I didn't sign up for this shit. Nigga! Wait! Oh, yeah, hold on. I'm ready. Hold on. Break his... What? The nigga ain't have to speed blitz me like that. That's crazy work. The hell? Hell no. Run the fuck away. Hell no, I'm not fighting you. Leave me alone. Bitch, where the hell? Oh, bitch. Oh, okay. You know what? I apologize for getting up close to you like that, sir. Nigga. Oh, Jesus. Why is he not dying yet? Bitch, where the health bar go? Where did the health bar go? Help! Oh! Where is his health bar? I can't keep wasting ammo on this nigga. Oh, shit, bitch. Bitch, let's keep shooting. Keep firing. Keep fucking firing. Ah! Hey. Oh! Jesus! Please! No! Oh! Come on, bitch! Come on, there, bitch! Oh shit! Run away! Run! Nigga, we done lost ammo and 3 guns. We about to lose more ammo in the other one. Jesus Christ! This ain't looking good. Hold on. I did all that shooting, and the nigga ain't died yet. I don't know what more you want me to do, player. I'll be 100% honest with you. Cause what the fuck? The first man that ran up on me the first time, that nigga won't shit. This nigga got a problem. I can't even see the health bar. The fuck? Energy shield is impenetrable. And protection from any attack. You must get up close to deal damage. Nobody told me that when he pulled the shit, when the shit turned yellow, I gotta run up on the nigga. Now that I know that, no you. Back to this big bitch. Cause ain't no motherfucking way. Round 2, ho! God damn, bitch, wait. He didn't have to drop me like that. I got excited for no fucking reason. Oh shit. I'm about to take a different approach, which is this way. He ain't gonna see it coming. Howdy, bitch! Oh shit! How do I read the information that was given to me of how to stop the nigga, and the information that was given to me was bullshit information. They talk about when the shield turn yellow, I gotta run up on the nigga and throw hands. I can't get close enough to throw hands with the nigga. What do you mean? This nigga is swinging whatever mythical fucking sword he got. This some bullshit. Oh shit. Oh, oh shit. Oh shit. Yeah, back up, nigga. Back up, nigga. Yeah, I'm on that. No! Oh, shit! Shot! Ah! Bitch! Oh yeah, nigga, let's dance, nigga. Oh yeah, nigga. Oh my god, boy. Hit me with the meanest uppercut of my life. No! Please! I know he almost dead. Regroup! Away! Run away! Give me help! Give! Bitch! Give me health! Oh, health! Something! Medic! And you can't even... Bitch, I said medic! Why he glowing like that? Wait. No. Look at his body. This nigga is damn near dead. What more you want me to do, bitch? I'm getting tired of this nigga. I don't know what the fuck y'all feed these damn demon things. This nigga here, he need to lay off that shit. Rush. Yeah, buddy. Oh shit. No, nigga, block. Yeah, nigga. Yeah, now run up on that body. Yeah. Done tormented me all that time, bitch. Fuck you. Damn motherfucker. What we talking about, man? Figured out how to beat his little big back ass. Shit. Onward. What we got going on in here, player? Going up? Oh, nope, going down. Okay. Excuse me. The fuck? Like, I just can't breathe. I understand I'm the Doomslayer. You feel what I'm saying? I'm supposed to come in here, slay some shit, and keep it pushing. But, nigga, it's like I just got done fighting whatever the fuck y'all done threw at me. That nigga there just put me through hell for a couple minutes just now. Now y'all want me to fight more people? Bro, what the fuck we got going on? And then this bitch running up on me. Shorty. You know what? Fuck it. I'm about to die. I'm about to fucking die. Oh shit. Oh shit. No. No, your mother. No. Me no want to die. Oh yeah, bitch. Oh yeah, sucker. Yeah. Oh yeah, come here. I'm on that ass. Bitch. Give me health. Thank you. No, oh shit. God damn it. Nigga. You know what? Fuck it. Oh, I'm dead as hell. Oh, I'm a dead motherfucker. Yep, I knew that was gonna happen. I'm a dead motherfucker. Sure. Gotcha! Yeah, buddy. Come here, boy. That's what I like to see. Get that. Sit your ass down. How we getting there? Oh yeah. Thank you very much. I'll take that up off you, player. Where we going? Appreciate it. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Oh, whoa, 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 hey, hey, hey! Back the fuck up! Yeah, yeah! What? Oh, bitch! Ooh, hold on. What else y'all got over here? Nothing? Alright. Onward! I mean, the game cool. I mean, I honestly, I fuck with it. Who that? Hell no! Nah! Oh yeah, I'm about to spin the block. Hold on. Pull the shotgun out, cause he thought he won with that one. Hold on, bitch. Yeah, nigga. Now what? Bitch. All right. What the fuck? Yeah. Like why? Like why? What is all that for? Seriously. Use what? What are we doing here? Oh shit, it's a cutscene. Hold on.
No signs of the demons, Thera.
We won't have much time.
Have much time to do what?
The Ancestrals never really die. The heart endures. We harvest the energy.
The fuck?
Nim unve anme veseque. Svara. Nim unve.
Nah. Not really. I don't have a Discord. What the hell? What type of enchantment? What y'all got going on? Oh, is he spying on us through the... Ooh. Is that a good or bad thing if he's watching us? I'm very curious. Yeah, my Instagram is the same as the as my Twitch, Jay Never Scared. Nigga! What the, what? Yo, what the fuck is happening? What is this? Charlie, what's wrong with you?
They're here, falling back. We'll meet you at the exit.
So we just dip that joint in some holy water? I feel it. I hope so. Carrying Hell Surge project. What? Will now activate the power of with it? And the power of what? Sealed ruins. Ooh. Oh, see, this the shit I'm fucking with right here. Hell yeah. Y'all done gave me some shit to work with. Oh, y'all done dipped this motherfucker in some holy water. Let's go to work. Yeah. I like what I'm seeing here. Oh, nigga. Oh, they done fucked up giving me this shit. What you gonna do? Yo, my boy. What's up? What you gonna do if you hit 50 followers? I mean, I don't know what I'm gonna do if I hit 50 followers. What I am thinking I might do I might stream for like 30 days. I might try to do that. I don't know yet. But who the hell? Oh yeah, hold on. I like this action over here. Y'all too quiet. Let me see that. Yeah. Oh yeah, I like this upgrade right here. See, this what a nigga needed. Right here. What y'all got going on behind me, man? Who am I supposed to be fighting? Because honestly, I'm just running around here just beating the hell out of... Nope. Why is that shit following me, dog? Oh yeah, come here. Can you like back the hell up, sir? Alright. I understand. Y'all don't fuck with a nigga like that. So now I gotta come over here and show my ass. Come here. Hit him! Hit him! I'm guessing y'all just want me to beat the hell out of your henchmen? I'm guessing. I'm guessing that's what they want me to do. I'm about to say, I'm missing people over here. Howdy. How y'all doing? Yeah. Yeah, let that shit shake the ground. Yeah. Bitch. Alright. The fuck this do? Who else I gotta kill? Oh, you. Great. Wait, bitch! Oh yeah, this ability is one. I'm about to die. Oh Jesus, run. Oh, wait. Hold on, bitch. Let it shake the earth full. Yes, sir. Back it up. Come here. Whoa. Bitch. You just ran up on me like that? Damn. Absolutely motherfucking not. Bitch. Nigga. So the nigga just decided he wanted to be on my ass. That's crazy work. And then you made me waste my shit. You know what? Bruh, you can't be serious, gang. There's somebody behind me. Jesus Christ. No. Can y'all like chill the fuck out? What the fuck did I just get hit with? Bruh. Was that health? Gimme. Tactical retreat, as I will call it. Come on then, player. Oh, I hate this form, bro. Another one? Yo! You can't be serious! Oh, shit! Bitch! Did I kill him? Oh, I did, actually. Okay, hold on. Alright, we gotta go kill the big fella. We at big bitch? Oh, big fella. Oh, there you go. How you do? Just gonna sit here and spam a couple of these. Do that. Yeah. 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 Give me your fucking heart, boy. What we talking about? Hell yeah. Uh-oh. Fuck we got going on here? I'm not gonna hold you, chat. I hope y'all seen the way they had that demon hanging off the side of the damn shit like that. That's crazy work. They got this nigga hanging.
Target her location. And the Slayers. Using the tether. Yes.
I knew he was an op, bro. I knew his...
Useful.
Nigga! Why y'all looking at her like that? What the hell?
No
Oh
harm
Lord,
must
they done
come to
enlarged
her.
the screen.
She is the heart of Argent.
Excuse me?
Then why didn't she use her sorcery against us?
The true scope of that human's power is unknown to her. The ceremony, it must take place in my world.
Of course.
The heart is found. Now give to me what is owed.
Uh-oh. Give to me what is
Return
owed.
our God to us.
Ooh.
Close the gate.
Damn! Hey, bro, we is in hell. Oh, hell no. Get it? Cause we in hell no? No? Okay. Damn. Can I get close? You don't bite, do you? I mean, you can't see shit out of one eye. Your guts is out. Ooh. Nigga, we are in hell. Oh, yeah, no. As of that thought, I don't feel safe here. Bitch! Oh, here he go spamming. Here he go. Yeah, I'm gonna spam too. I'm gonna spam too. How about that? Yeah. I'm gonna spam too. Yeah. Oh shit. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Yes, sir. Who else? Block that. Oh, I seen you. I seen you about to come around that corner. Nigga, they gave you armor too? Oh. Wait. Nigga, they just fell. What the hell? Why they all just fall out like that, bruh? That's some bullshit. Try my best not to trip, chat. Alright. Got to see what y'all got going on over here. Jump. Appreciate it. We got to upgrade to the grenade launcher? Y'all bitches. Ooh, y'all know y'all love me. Hold on. It fires slow projectiles that explode and deal heavy damage. Using it at close range can be risky as the explosion will damage you. Oh, y'all like me. They gave me a rocket launcher, not the grenade launcher, darling. Oh, yeah. That's what I wanted to use it on. Ah, look at that shit. Damn, motherfucker. Boom. Damn, motherfucker. Yeah, I'm storming through your shit. Damn, motherfucker. Yeah. What we got going on here? Oh, my God, nigga. Hold on. Damn, motherfucker. Hey, yo. I think I'm gonna end that right there, chat. I'm not gonna hold you. We done got some far into this jump. You feel me? So I'm glad we made it this far. What else I gotta say? Tune in, because this is dropping on YouTube, and for the people that watch it on YouTube, like I said in the beginning of the video or the stream, whatever, I appreciate y'all for watching it. Thank you, and I'm gonna see y'all whatever I stream next. Peace.
Shake some shit. Okay, shake some shit.